The importance of spending time in nature and replenishing our energy is so essential to all of us. We forget about the little things, about walking through leaves, hearing the birds, seeing insects, just watching the beautiful trees and all the wonders of all things that we don't stop and take the time to just watch and see. We're so busy and consumed by technology and work and everything else that we forget to be in that moment. So take the time. Go outside, out in nature. Connect with Mother Earth. She's calling upon all her children to do so. And reconnect. It will replenish your energy. It will uplift you. Just by you taking that time for yourself.